Hi, this is Fernando from Apartamento Molière. I'll show you how to use the air conditioning. It is just close to the front door. This is the front door. And behind the front door, it is the screen of the air conditioning. This is the only screen to put on or off the air conditioning. Also the heat or cold. You just need to press this button and it starts working. You can use both cold for the summer and hot for the winter. Here you can set the temperature in these arrows, and this symbol of ice is to use it for summer to obtain cold, and with mode you can set it to the sun in winter to receive hot. There are other functions like only fan, dehumidification or personalized, but they are not useful, so you can use this to be comfortable in the apartment. The rest of the screens in the rooms are not to be used, they're out of use because they are for the for another heating the floor that is not is out of use. When the screen turns down, it still remains working, you can see it, and to turn it off you have to press this twice. One to set the screen on and the second one to turn it off.